Hey all, welcome to Blooming Life, and today I'm back with a non-veg dish, that is butter methi chicken. I have taken curd here, almost 150 gram, add some salt to that and beat them very well. The gravy will be of curd only, so we should take almost 200 gram of curd for 400 gram of chicken. Next, take chicken pieces, add the curd, mix them well, and marinate it for 1 hour. Heat the pan. Add butter. This entire preparation will be in butter. You can add some olive oil if you want. Then add some cumin, that is optional. If you want, you can skip that. Add 2 green chilies chopped. Add ginger garlic paste. Very little ginger garlic paste we have to add. You can add more butter if you want, because this chicken will be entirely taste like butter only. Add some onion. I have taken a big onion which has been sliced into small pieces. Saute them well, then add some more salt. Add black pepper powder. Add some chicken masala, that is also optional. If you want, you can skip that also. Now take the chicken pieces out of the marination and keep it into the pan. Make sure you should not put any part of curd at this time. Only chicken pieces I have taken. Fry the chicken pieces. Add kasuri methi. Almost 1 tablespoon I have added here, because here there will be a pungent taste of kasuri methi in this chicken along with butter. Mix all the ingredients very well. Add some sugar. Now cook the chicken. Once the chicken is cooked half, then add the extra leftover curd to it. Mix all the ingredients very well and cook it. some raw green chilies as topping. Serve it with normal rice or jeera rice or roti.